Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you something different. A few days ago, I was reached out to by Channel 7 to do a live breakfast TV interview on the morning show. And in today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of that.
Joining us now is the Aussie flipper himself. Matt, welcome to the show.
We've also got plenty of items selling on eBay right now, which we're going to be taking you through. And later in the video, we're going to be going out and doing some thrifting with Courtney to hopefully find even more good items to sell online. It's going to be a jam-packed episode. Let's do it. So yesterday was $358. $366 a day is what we're averaging, and we want to be averaging $379. So we are so close to hitting after our first week of the month. So I want to do a really quick what sold and show you what's getting into the mailbag, causing us to be on $366 a day in average sales. The first one was a multi-sale, and it just got paid for then. This is it here. So we've got a bunch of different hats. Redskins hat there. This guy just walked through the store and just offered everything at half price, and I just said, you know what? Let's do it. This was all bought in a big US lot that we got for about $3 or $4 each, and we're actually selling these all for about $12 to $13 each. So we've got $65 for these 5 hats. We have a PlayStation 4 console. The model numbers are really important with the PlayStation 4s. It's the CUH1002A. So always pay attention to the console code when you're listing, because certain collectors, certain users out there in the gaming space does like to know that information, or at least if you don't put it into the title like we did, just take photos of that information. I think you put it into the title though, Courtney. Yeah. We got 129, I think, 129.95.
Yeah.
We're going to put that into a box with some severe bubble wrap. So we've got this Battlestar Galactica bust, this mini bust. Actually all mini busts here. We've got Buffy the Vampire Slayer. We've got Morbius as well. That's a mini bust. They're all selling for like $50 each. Took a best offer on this one at $45. Courtney's going to be putting it into a box. We've got some boxes from Bunnings. And I reckon this one here, Courtney. Look at this. This one.
Nah.
What do you reckon?
You reckon?
Is that okay? We only bought that off Johnny maybe 2 weeks ago, I think it was.
Yeah.
With that big bulk buy. And that's starting to turn over really, really good, because that PS4 was off Johnny as well.
It was.
So we're racking up some really good sales off that big private pick. We spent about $1,600. I reckon we've already made back about $1,000 in sales.
Yeah.
We've still got a lot to sell too. It was a good buy. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out. Now, as for the video games, we've had some pretty good results, actually just with this one sale. But we ended up selling 4 of them, a bit like the hats. We got a big multi-order sale come through. All of them sold for $75. So that's just going to get some heavy bubble wrap put into a small satchel. Now, some DVDs as well that we've had going to sell. Agatha Christie Collection, $18 on that. Sound Relief, $20 on that one there. Rules of Engagement though, this one was a good one. $37.95. Small satchel for $8.50. Yeah, paid $1 a piece, $4 in. That's an awesome turnaround. That's why DVDs do so well. Now, I hadn't done any research into it, but it's these Walking Deads that Courtney put up on Monday that have come through.
Yeah.
$65.
Yeah.
For the 2. So sold as a multi-quantity order. We've had 3 multi-quantities, which just help the situation. Hopefully there's a box there that's going to work. Again, we're going to just group that up, put some bubble wrap around it, put it into a box. $65. This came off Johnny in the private pick that we did 2 weeks ago yet again. So some really high average sale price sales, which is awesome to see. So all of that culminated into a $358 day yesterday for all of these items. So Courtney's going to go ahead now before we shoot off. Well, you might get half of it done, at least anyway, before we go.
What time?
We're leaving... We've got to be there at 8:45.
Oh, okay.
So we'll leave in maybe 30 minutes.
Yeah. Are you so excited?
Excited? Yeah, I'm always excited. It's always a bit of like a mini shock when you know, these guys asked to. This is the fourth breakfast TV.
What size are they? This is amazing. Live TV. I'm selling Dave Campbell a pair of shoes.
And every single time, I'm always blown away that one, they've picked me to get up on camera and talk about it, but two, there's enough people out there that really potentially can get some genuine benefit out of what we do. Which is really all I'm going to be trying to speak around is I'm going to be speaking as though you've never heard of eBay before and you want to capture a spark in the interview to give it a go. If we can do that and get people across to the YouTube channel, that's really the aim. I need to mention in this to subscribe to the Aussie Flipper.
Yeah.
I don't care what else gets said, as long as we get that message in there. We weren't sure if this is a building or not.
Yeah, we're in Studio 2 today, so if you want to go on in, we'll get you set up.
Just being new for easy. It's actually a long sit.
Yeah.
Like, for 20 minutes.
Is it another 20?
It's 9:15. Like, it's not...
At least you'd rather be like this than be like running and trying to get here on time.
Yeah, definitely. That's a good point. Just without you in the room, I wasn't sure. Absolutely subscribe to the Aussie Flipper. I know that's a shameless plug, but I make videos every single week to try and educate you guys on how to do it. And they're very easy to talk to.
Yeah, I felt like that was very...
You couldn't hear anything, could you?
Nothing except you.
You were just sitting in a silent room.
Yeah.
Just heard my responses.
Yeah.
I felt like it flowed really well.
Yeah.
Like it was very conversational, not like question answer.
Yeah, quick.
Yeah.
And you could say quite a bit.
Yeah, yeah. No, I think it went really, really well. Fourth Recce TV done.
Yeah.
You can do the next one.
No, absolutely not.
Our next task of the day, which is to do some thrifting. So Courtney and I have got 4 different op shops along this little run here. So yeah, we're going to try and find 10 items. Good items. High average sale price items.
We'll find them.
We'll find them. Oh, that's you. Yeah, that's you. That's $5. You can wear that to the gym today.
Yeah, I like that.
That's it. All right, well, Courtney's got an item.
Personal.
I'm going to leave this. The Gold Coast Titans. It's only $5. Gold Coast Titans jacket. Don't really want to be doing clothing, do we?
No.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Lovely. Do you want to see?
Oh no, thank you. Thanks.
See you later. Well, that wasn't really the way we wanted to kick things off, but that's a nice t-shirt.
It is.
Courtney's in the gym now. Courtney signed up and basically not only boss, but I'm also PT. I'm
Boss PT.
boss PT. But yeah, we're going to be doing that at 3 o'clock today. We might even film some of it, Courtney.
Oh.
You can wear your new Jets t-shirt.
Thanks.
That's awesome. It's just a little bit of a heel peel there. That's not too bad.
I haven't seen signs.
Yeah, normally they're on the actual shoe, aren't they?
It is, but it's rubbed off.
That's actually going to make it hard.
Yeah.
Now, DVDs, $2 per disc.
No.
But I have come across this though. This says the complete series. Oh, disc 7 missing. Oh man. Not seeing a lot here. Scarpers are good, but these are old. Not $20 old. I've got videos from multiple weeks in a row on it. Every Thursday I used to come and do all these 4 op shops and we'd come away with hauls of like 10 items per store. And now we're walking into 4 stores and coming away empty-handed. It's just so drastically different to what it used to be. So we've just come across these, which is the Eagle Moss Marble Chess Collection. This is actually chess pieces for a chessboard. They've got them all priced at $3 each. And they've got some information on the back there, as you can see. The entire board was selling, you got individual, how much is that? 15. It appears that each of these can sell for about 20 to 25 each. So, you know, 3 into 25 a piece. This could be a really good little collection for $18. Obviously by no means a complete set, but that one's actually broken, Courtney.
Which one? Oh.
But these, $15. I reckon we sell it as a bundle.
Well, 5, but they're in a box, was 50.
$50. Is there an international sale of that board? There it is. So look at that.
Plus chessboard.
Eagle Moss chess collection, figure lot of 42 plus the board went for $1,000. And we've got, you know, just 5 of them here, but I think, you know, comps like this, see, 23 and 30 internationally, so I reckon we give these a go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think what's really frustrating is that we're in a position where we're wanting to buy. And it's probably the same for you guys as well. You know, you've got cash, you're ready to go out and go to these local thrift stores and buy these items to make a profit on. The thrift stores aren't allowing us to do that at the moment. I think the benefit for us, and something that I highly recommend a lot of you guys doing, is to start an Instagram page or to just start some form of social media presence, because you're ultimately building connection. We get a lot of our deals now done not through thrifting. We're not solely relying on this right now. And we do a lot of private picks. What we're going to do actually because of that is we're going to create a bit of a wait list. If you've got stock out there, or if things change for you guys, your circumstances change, you no longer want to start to sell on eBay anymore, we'd be happy to go out and buy the stock, because we've got cash, we want to buy items, we want to be listing items, we want to keep this eBay business running, but we're not going to be able to do that if we don't get the opportunities through the private picks based on what we're seeing out here. It's just so dead at the moment. This is epic. Cool hats, guys. Vintage Richmond Tigers. Vintage AFL logo. $2 price tag. No tears. Approved product as well. That is an absolute relic. What a cool find.
So we also found these 3, the Sonic X, 3 volumes, volume 12, 10 and 8, for 3 for $1.
$1?
Yeah. And
Super
they're
cheap.
all scanning up for 30 to 35?
30 to 35 each.
Yeah, each.
Yeah, so we're talking, say we went 25 a piece, there's like 75 in value.
Yeah.
And we've paid $1.
Yeah.
So that, along with this Richmond hat, which I think actually, Courtney, the Richmond hat we can get about 60 to 70. It's a really nice old school vintage hat, and there's a lot of Tigers fans out there, no tears. I'm really pumped about that as well. So, you know, for $3,
Yeah.
it's actually a pretty crazy little mini haul. So there wasn't a lot in the thrift, was there, Courtney? We didn't really get a lot. This is actually yesterday.
Yeah.
We're filming on day 2. Courtney and I discussed over lunch yesterday, and that was around where we're kind of planning our content over the course of the next couple of months throughout 2024. We're really going to place a heavy focus around member videos, aren't we? And we've tried to work out what to kind of bring to the members, because we've had this around for such a long time, and if you're unfamiliar with what it is, we're just going to do a dedicated video to members only. And it's going to be 1 video extra on the channel every single month. And I think, inspired out of today's video, I kind of want to do some more like lifestyle stuff.
Yeah. Not eBay related.
Not eBay related. Maybe like a Courtney gym session.
We don't need to see that.
Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a dedicated Courtney gym session in the member videos.
Absolutely not. Maybe a combine.
Yeah, maybe a combined session. But no, I do a lot of running, so I'm thinking about documenting my running, training for a marathon. We don't talk about it on this channel, you know, so I think that's what we're going to bring to the members videos over the next couple of months, and we'll work on one for January.
Maybe everyone should let us know in the comments what they reckon they would like to see outside of eBay, maybe.
That would be nice. If there's anything, you know, that you think you'd be interested in watching, do let us know. And then the other one as well is we are continuing on with our paid mentorship program. We've been doing this for members in the membership group, and then we've kind of been putting it into the description of every single one of these videos and sort of taking spot bookings every now and again, but we've never actually spoken about it on this channel. And it's going to be another massive focus for this year. So what it is it's $50, and it's a 1-hour consultation. Basically, it's a 1-hour session to ask as many questions as you'd like about your eBay journey, and my goal is to try and help as many people as possible on a one-on-one level. Got a really nice email from the Flipping Sisters this morning. We got some pretty rave reviews around that mentor session. So I'm really confident about that. I'm confident in my ability to help people out there with that. So if you are interested, check it out. Link is in the description. But apart from that, this video's done.